This is not financial advice. It's not legal advice for entertainment and educational purposes only, and everything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decisions based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see how I'm analyzing the data. Listen, even though we're having a lot of issues here in the States when it comes to the AMC APE dividend, I think that the international investors are going to get hit the hardest, and they're going to get hurt more by all the shenanigans and the malfeasance that's in the market, all the corruption surrounding the AMC APE dividend share. And here's why. I get direct messages from different people, but Jay Dauntless was sending me some direct messages, and you have international investors in Europe and in Asia who have not received their shares yet. And I mean, a lot of them have not received their shares yet. But even the ones that did receive their shares, they're being told that they cannot buy APE shares. They can hold the ones they currently have, they can sell them, but they cannot purchase any APE shares. That will lead me to believe that there are none in the market to buy. And because the option chain was killed, it stopped them from having another tool in order to manipulate the stock price, manipulate the market with the counterfeit, well, they call them synthetic shares, I call them counterfeit shares, but killing the option chain kind of killed one of the tools they use to manipulate the market to produce the counterfeit shares. And one of the reasons they gave one of these people, and I think it was in the Netherlands, was for taxation issues. Okay, now, what does taxation issues have to do with the fact of you buying or selling a stock? How would that be the broker's problem? I would think the taxation issues would be the individual investor's problem, and that taxation issue would be between them and their government IRS office, if that's what they have over there. I'm not sure, what kind of, how they do taxation in the Netherlands. But the point I'm trying to make is the international investors are going to have a harder time getting their shares. They're going to have a harder time getting justice, possibly also. If I was overseas and I didn't get my shares yet, or I was told I couldn't buy my shares, I would contact the regulatory agency in my country. And if they didn't give me the answers that I felt made sense to me, then I would contact an attorney and start seeing what my legal options were. But the first thing that you should do, if you're overseas and you have not received your APE shares, you need to start complaining to your broker. You need to start complaining to whatever entity is holding your shares, whatever entity you use to trade. You need to file a complaint with them. And if that complaint isn't answered in a way that makes you feel comfortable, then you need to contact your regulatory agency. And if at that point you still don't get an answer that you think you deserve, or an answer that makes sense, then you might want to contact an attorney to see what your legal options are. But as I said in the beginning, I believe the overseas investors are going to really have a hard time with APE. They're already having a difficult time with AMC, but the APE dividend made it just a little bit more complex for them. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe button, all the YouTube algorithm stuff, and tell me what you think about the overseas investors having a harder time getting their APE shares and getting justice. It might be more difficult for them. Anyway, have a great day. God bless. I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.